Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see someone's liked videos on TikTok. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're here, head on to tiktok.com. So to like the video, all you have to do. Alright, so for example, if you want to see someone's liked video, all you have to do is head on to their profile and click on like. So here the user's liked video are private because the user has made it private by themselves. So all you have to do is find the users whose liked video are public, and here you will see all the liked videos that they have liked. And that is how you can find it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.